Hi old friend, in this video I will tell you how you can find your referral ID in mobile app. For referral ID you just click this referral program, and now you can see your referral link and referral code. You can copy this referral code and link and just send it to your friend. If your friend will register to Binance with your referral link, his or she's your referral friends, and you will get money from her or him. This is a referral program, very important for Binance. For more video you can check my channel, and you can watch the Bitcoin videos from my channel. There are a lot of videos. If you like my videos, please like my video.